In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Yahoo Mail in Gmail. This process allows you to streamline your emails by having your Yahoo messages delivered straight to your Gmail inbox, making it easier to manage all your communications in one place. First, you'll need to open Gmail on your computer. Once you're on your Gmail homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the gear icon. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This action will take you to a more comprehensive settings page where you can customize and manage various aspects of your Gmail account. Now we move on to adding your Yahoo account. Navigate to the Accounts and Import tab, which you'll find amongst other options at the top of the settings page. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Right next to it, you'll notice the Add a Mail Account link. Click on it. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your Yahoo email address. Key in your email and hit Next to continue. At this point, you have two choices for linking or importing your account. For the smoothest experience, I recommend choosing the automatic syncing method. To do this, select Link Account with Gmailify and hit Next. You'll be taken to a Yahoo login page where you'll need to sign in and grant Gmail the necessary permissions to access your Yahoo account. If you'd rather go the manual route, opt for the manual setup, which requires you to enter server settings for Yahoo. Use imap.mail.yahoo.com for IMAP or pop.mail.yahoo.com for POP3. This option gives you more control if you prefer to customize your server settings. Once you've established the connection, it's time to finalize the process. Follow any remaining on-screen instructions. These might include entering your Yahoo password to authenticate the connection. When prompted, click Agree to allow Gmail access to your Yahoo account. You'll know everything is set up correctly when you see a window saying, "You've been Gmailified." Click Close to finish the process. Congratulations! Your Yahoo emails will now appear in your Gmail inbox. Depending on your specific settings, they may be arranged under categories or a new label, designed to keep your inbox tidy and organized. Whether you're using Gmailify for automatic syncing or have gone with manual setup, you've successfully integrated Yahoo Mail into your Gmail, creating a more unified email experience. Remember, this integration can make your day-to-day email management much more efficient, saving you time and keeping your communications within easy reach. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.